Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Siddharth Nair and you're watching That Car Guy. Today is a very special video because it's not a typical car review video. Recently I purchased a Hindustan Ambassador, the beloved Ambi. Yes. Why did I do it? Because I wanted a restoration project, something little iconic, Indian, classic, patriotism running high. So for that reason, I bought an Ambassador. It's a 2002 model. It used to be an ex-Navy car. Well, the reason I bought it is to kind of restore it and bring it back to its old former glory. And this car is in dire need of some restoration. It's not in the best of condition. There's oil leaking all over the place. There's a lot of mechanical issues. The bodywork itself is fine, but the paint is coming off, it's chipping, it has some rust issues. So this is going to be a series of videos in which I will do a couple of things from various shops to it, and it's going to be a part 1, part 2 kind of a thing. So keep watching. There's a lot of content coming with this car. So if you're interested in Ambi restorations, you have clicked on the right video. So without further ado, let me introduce you to my new Ambi. This is the Ambi which I was talking about in black. It's a 2002 ex-Navy car. It used to be petrol once upon a time. Now it's a 2000cc Isuzu diesel. The engine has been converted and it needs a lot of work. Body wise it's good, but there are a lot of these paint chips, and this is where the wire for the light used to go. So it was a very important car back in the day. So guys, now we're driving the Ambi. Well, there's no AC, there's no power steering, hand out the window. This is an experience altogether. But I'm gonna get, I am trying to install an AC in this car because it's too hot where I live. So AC is a must, and there is a lot of rattling and there's a lot of body noise coming from this car. So a bit of mechanical work, a lot of body work, but once it's done, it's going to be amazing. And just check out the interiors, guys. Very minimalistic. This doesn't work. There's no blowers, there's no nothing. There's this parcel shelf in the back. There's this cloth seats, the same material for the headliner, and the instrument cluster is pretty Spartan. There's a speedometer and there's a temperature, there's fuel, the steering wheel. Well, this is an Ambassador after all, so this is what you get. But it's a great platform for all future restorations. The view out of the bonnet is amazing. The bonnet it's designed like a human nose for all I know. Gear shifts are very smooth on this car and we're flooring it. Just check this out. Woohoo! We're doing 80. This is a beast. Well, this car has a 2-liter Isuzu engine, not turbo, it's naturally aspirated. Used to have a petrol once upon a time, but all that is no more. Please shut up. The navigation is so annoying. So that is what the driving experience of the Ambassador is like. The steering is very vague. The gears for some reason are really good. The engine is noisy as hell, but this is such a joy to drive. So guys, we finally made it down to the workshop. It's an Ambi specialist workshop which was highly recommended from Facebook. There's the car. There are a lot of Ambis all over this place. There's this 1-2 for Mercedes, which is getting some serious overhauling. This is our black beauty right here. And over to this side we have another ongoing project. Well, this one has alloy wheels. That is something which I really want to get in mind too. And well, let's go to the main workshop area over here. This place is huge. There's a lot of Ambis. This is primarily a Ambi specialist workshop. I'll leave the link in the description below to their Facebook page. Please guys, do check them out. Over here we have a lot of mechanical things going on. This is tremendous. This place is full of Ambi parts. And over here we have 4 other cars going on. Yep. They do body work, mechanical, they do the whole restoration work here. But I'm here to just get the primary works done, such as the oil leaks, I need a power steering, the AC. All those things are going to be done by these guys. And as you can see, this is an endless amount of Ambassadors all over this place, Ambi parts all over this place. Oh my god, check out these There's a lot of ambies. These guys are very well known. Please do check them out. So guys, I'm here at Ambassador Garage. This is the man behind the scene. This is Mr. Bichu. ചേട്ടാ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒന്ന് പറയാം നമ്മുടെ ഈ ഒരു വർക്ക്ഷോപ്പും നമ്മുടെ ഇതിനെ പറ്റി ഒന്ന്.
അങ്ങനെ പ്രത്യേകിച്ചൊന്നുമില്ല. ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഫീൽഡ്. നമുക്ക് ഈ വണ്ടീനോടുള്ള ഇഷ്ടമാണ്. ആ ഇഷ്ടം ആണ് ഇപ്പോൾ ഈ റേഞ്ചിൽ വന്ന് നിൽക്കുന്നത്.
നമ്മുടെ അംബാസഡർ വണ്ടികളാണല്ലോ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ഇവിടെ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അംബാസഡർ ഗരാജ് ആണല്ലോ.
അംബാസഡറാണ് നമ്മൾ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. പിന്നെ ജീപ്പ്, ഫിയറ്റ്, കോണ്ടസാണ്. അത് HMൻ്റെ വണ്ടികളാണ് മെയിനായിട്ട്. ഫുള്ളായിട്ട് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന മറ്റുള്ള വണ്ടികളും പലരും ചോദിക്കാറുണ്ട്. അംബാസഡർ പണിയണ പോലെ പണിത് കൊടുക്കാനായിട്ട് വില്ലിങ്ങായി വന്നവരുണ്ട്. സ്പെയർ പാർട്സ് അവർ അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്ത് തരാനും നമ്മളത് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കും. പക്ഷെ നമ്മുടെ മോസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള വണ്ടി അംബാസഡറാണ് നമ്മൾ പ്രിഫർ ചെയ്യുന്നത്.
അടിപൊളി. ചേട്ടൻ നമ്മുടെ അംബാസഡറിനെ പറ്റി എന്താണ് ഒരു അഭിപ്രായം? ചേട്ടൻ ഇപ്പോൾ ഓടിച്ച് നോക്കി.
നല്ല വണ്ടിയാണ്. എനിക്ക് ഓടിച്ചിട്ട് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട വണ്ടിയാണ്.
തെറ്റൊന്നും പറ്റിയിട്ടില്ലല്ലോ.
നല്ല ചോയ്സാണ്. സാധാരണ രീതിയിൽ ഞങ്ങൾ അംബാസഡർ എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ഇത്രയും വർക്കുകൾ വരുമ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങൾ പറയും ചോയ്സ് തെറ്റിപ്പോയിരുന്നു. പക്ഷേ ഈ വണ്ടിയിൽ ഇതൊന്നും ഒരു പ്രശ്നമില്ല. കാരണം എന്താ വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നല്ല വണ്ടിയാണ്, ഫ്രഷ് വണ്ടിയാണ്.
So guys, you heard it from the man himself, Mr. Bichu. This is by far a very good purchase in his opinion. So ചേട്ടാ അപ്പം നമ്മൾ ഇറങ്ങുന്നു. അപ്പം താങ്ക് യു.
ഓക്കെ.
അപ്പോൾ ചേട്ടാ വ്ളോഗിന് ഒന്ന് ബൈ പറഞ്ഞേക്കാം.
ബൈ ബൈ.
So guys, that's it for today's video. Please hit subscribe, follow this channel if you want to see more updates on this beautiful Ambi which I have taken. It's going to be a long process. We're going to do painting, interior work, upholstery. There's a lot more content coming very soon, so please keep your eyeballs on this channel. So guys, it's time for me to go. We'll catch you pretty soon with another video. So till then, goodbye and God bless.